As we progress into the future, the significance of adopting eco-friendly gadgets has become increasingly apparent. The good news is that you don't have to break the bank to make a positive impact. In this video, we'll explore 7 innovative and sustainable gadgets you can get for under $100. These devices not only enhance your daily life, but also contribute to a healthier planet. First, we have the Utopia Kitchen Compost Bin. Prices start around $24.99. This compost bin is made from stainless steel, which is durable and easy to clean, made in China and other various locations. This bin features charcoal filters that effectively control odors, allowing you to store kitchen scraps for up to a week without unpleasant smells. While the bin does require regular maintenance, such as emptying and cleaning, it offers an excellent solution for reducing food waste. For households that produce a moderate amount of kitchen scraps, this compost bin can help reintroduce valuable nutrients back into the soil, ultimately benefiting your garden or potted plants. By composting your kitchen waste, you contribute to a circular economy and reduce the burden on landfills. Next on your list should be the Kasa Smart Wi-Fi Plug Slim. Prices start at about $14. Manufactured by TP-Link, a company based in China, this smart plug allows you to control and monitor your devices remotely from your smartphone. Its setup is straightforward, and it's compatible with major smart home platforms such as Amazon Alexa and Google Assistant. The primary advantage of the Kasa Smart Plug is its ability to enhance energy efficiency. By scheduling your devices to run only when needed, you can significantly reduce your energy consumption and lower your electricity bills. However, it's important to note that this gadget may require some additional smart home infrastructure to work seamlessly. Despite that, the ability to monitor and manage your energy usage makes this gadget an excellent investment for anyone looking to embrace a more sustainable lifestyle. When it comes to lighting your home sustainably, look no further than the Philips Hue Smart 60-watt LED light bulbs. Prices start at around $30 for a 2-pack. Manufactured by Philips, these energy-efficient bulbs are designed to last much longer than traditional incandescent options. What sets Philips Hue apart is its compatibility with the Hue Bridge, enabling you to control the lighting throughout your home remotely. With the ability to customize colors and brightness, these smart bulbs not only help reduce energy consumption, but also allow you to create the perfect ambiance for any occasion. While the upfront cost is higher than traditional bulbs, the long-term savings and energy efficiency make them a prudent choice for environmentally conscious consumers looking to lower their carbon footprint. Here's a sustainable way to protect your smartphone. Consider the Eco by Granola Gear biodegradable phone case, available for around $29.99. This phone case is made in northern Michigan and crafted from plant-based materials, making it biodegradable and compostable, which is a significant step towards reducing plastic waste. Granola Gear focuses on eco-conscious production methods. While it may not offer the same level of durability as traditional plastic phone cases, the environmental benefits far outweigh this downside. By choosing a biodegradable phone case, you contribute to reducing the amount of plastic that ends up in landfills and oceans. Protect your phone while making a positive impact on the environment by opting for this eco-conscious accessory. Enhance your oral hygiene routine with the Suri electric toothbrush, priced at around $99. This innovative toothbrush that's manufactured in China stands out due to its environmentally friendly design, featuring recyclable plant-based bristles and a compact form factor. Suri focuses on sustainability in its production processes. While the initial cost may seem higher compared to traditional toothbrushes, it's essential to consider the long-term benefits. The Suri electric toothbrush provides effective cleaning with over 33,000 vibrations per minute, promoting better oral health. Additionally, by opting for a toothbrush made from sustainable materials, you significantly reduce the amount of plastic waste generated from conventional toothbrushes. Incorporating this gadget into your daily routine not only benefits your health, but also supports eco-friendly practices. Next up are reusable stainless steel straws, which typically cost under $10 for a pack. These durable straws are manufactured by various companies, often based in countries like China or the USA, and serve as an excellent alternative to single-use plastic straws, which contribute significantly to environmental pollution. Stainless steel straws are not only reusable, but also easy to clean, making them a practical choice for anyone looking to adopt a more sustainable lifestyle. They come in various sizes and styles, catering to different drink preferences. While regular maintenance is required to ensure cleanliness, the positive impact of reducing plastic waste makes these straws an essential addition to your eco-friendly collection. To complete our list, we recommend BioClean Laundry Detergent, which typically costs around $19 for a 64 Oz container. This eco-friendly detergent is made in the USA and is free from harsh chemicals, making it safe for both your family and the environment. BioClean's formula is biodegradable, it's available in powder and liquid, and has recyclable packaging, reducing your overall environmental impact. It's effective at cleaning clothes while being gentle on the planet. By choosing biodegradable laundry detergent, you can contribute to a sustainable future while ensuring your laundry stays fresh and clean. So, there you have it, 7 eco-friendly gadgets under $100. Each of these products offers practical solutions to help you live more sustainably while enhancing your daily life. Remember, every small change counts when it comes to protecting our planet. Before you go, check out some of my other videos. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe. Thanks for watching. We'll see you on the next one.